Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Imagine eating chocolate cake every single day. One cookbook author who did shares her recipe. The recipe for everyday chocolate cake is featured in author Rachel Riggs' debut cookbook In Good Health. The cake is protein-packed, containing 18 grams of protein per slice, and is made with just one bowl and a single whisk. Riggs ate a piece of this cake as part of her lunch daily for 6 years, as it is a legit dessert that is virtually indistinguishable from mainstream chocolate cakes. The cake's ingredients, including almond flour, maple syrup, cocoa powder, and eggs, provide healthy fats, antioxidants, and muscle-building protein. Riggs developed the cake recipe during her quest to find nourishing and delicious foods that fit her restricted diet due to chronic health issues. The cookbook also includes other recipes like Morning Glory Muffins, Zesty Herbed Tahini Dip, and Savory French Onion Beef, all of which are whole, nutrient-dense foods. The recipe for the everyday chocolate cake is provided, including instructions for the cake and the chocolate ganache topping, rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. /speak